Hello to everyone. Welcome you to Student Kaksh. My name is Ammu Rana and we are representing the MCQs that has been asked in previous year examination of NEET, IIT-JEE, CBSE, ICSE and state boards. We mainly emphasize toward NCERT. Today we are going to deal with the chapter Heredity and Evolution of class 10 Science. We are having three teams, Team A, B and C. Team A participants are Aditya and Manthan. Team B participants are Astha, Nisha and Bhumi. Team C participants are Arpan and Pankaj. Let me tell you the rules of this quiz. We will play 2 rounds. In the first round, I will ask 3 questions to each team. 10 marks will be given for the right answer. In the round 2 is the tapping round. The one who tap first on the bench will allowed to give us the answer. There will be negative marking as well. 5 marks will be deducted for the wrong answer. 10 marks will be given for the correct answer. And the first question goes to Team A. Homologous structures are, and the options are A. Similar in origin but dissimilar in function. B. Dissimilar in origin but similar in function. C. Dissimilar in origin and function. D. Similar in origin and function.
C. Dissimilar in origin and function.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Option C is the wrong answer. And the correct answer is option A. Similar in origin but dissimilar in function. This is because homologous organs are organs having same origin but different function in various organisms. For example, forelimbs of horse and arms of man. And the next question goes to Team B. Mendel conducted his famous breeding experiments by working on, and the options are A. Drosophila, B. Pisum stivum, C. E. coli, D. All of these.
Option B, Pisum stivum.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Option B, Pisum stivum, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, Mendel is known as the father of genetics, and he was the monk and conducted his breeding experiment on garden pea Pisum stivum. And the next question goes to Team C. The exchange in genetic material takes place in, and the options are A. Vegetative propagation, B. Asexual reproduction, C. Sexual reproduction, D. Budding.
Option C.
It means sexual reproduction.
Yes.
Option C, sexual reproduction, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, the exchange of genetic material takes place in sexual reproduction, where 2 different gametes fuse with each other and give rise to new organism. This is also the reason of variation. And the next question goes to Team A. Theory of evolution is given by, and the options are A. J.B.S. Haldane, B. Stanley, C. Charles Darwin, D. George Mendel.
C. Darwin.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Option C, Charles Darwin, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. And the next question goes to Team B. The maleness of a child is determined by, and the options are A. X chromosome in zygote, B. The Y chromosome in zygote, C. The cytoplasm of germ cell, which determines the sex, D. Sex is determined by chance.
Option B, Y chromosome in zygote.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Option B, the Y chromosome in zygote, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, female carry two X chromosomes and produce one type of gametes, but males have one X chromosome and one Y chromosome, so produce two different type of gametes. When a sperm carrying X chromosome fertilizes an egg, the zygote develops into female. When sperm carrying Y chromosome fertilizes an egg, the zygote develops into a male. And the next question goes to team C. DNA is the information source for making dash in cells. And the options are A, fats, B, vitamins, C, proteins, D, all.
Option D, all.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Option D, all, is the wrong answer. And the correct answer is option C, proteins. Actually, fats, vitamins are mainly obtained via food. But for proteins, DNA is required. DNA is first transcribed into mRNA, then it translated into proteins. And the next question goes to team A. The preserved traces of living organisms are called. The options are A, fossils, B, species, C, non-living materials, D, none.
Option A, fossils.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Option A, fossils, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, fossils are the preserved remains or traces of remains of ancient animals and plants. And the next question goes to team B. The antigen for ABO and RH blood groups are present on. And the options are A, plasma, B, white blood cells, C, red blood cells, D, platelets.
RBCs.
It means option C.
Yes.
Option C, red blood cells, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, ABO blood grouping system in human being is determined by the presence or absence of antigen on the surface of red blood cells. If A antigen is present on the surface of RBC, the individual will be A blood group. If B antigen is present on the surface of RBC, then individual will be B blood group. If both A and B antigen are present on the surface of RBC, so the blood group of individual will be AB. If there is no antigen present on the surface of RBC, so blood group will be O. And the next question goes to team C. Who discovered blood groups? And the options are A, Thomas Cole, B, Karl Landsteiner, C, Camillo Golgi, D, Ernest Hacker.
Option B, Karl Landsteiner.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option B, Karl Landsteiner, is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, Karl Landsteiner discovered ABO blood grouping system in 1900. First round has been completed. Now we are looking towards the scores. Team A got 20 marks. Team B got 30 marks. Team C got 20 marks. Now we are moving toward round 2. Round 2 is the tapping down. The one who tap first on the bench will allowed to give us the answer. And the next question goes to all the participants. A trait in an organism is influenced by, and the options are A, paternal DNA, B, maternal DNA, C, both maternal and paternal DNA, D, neither by paternal nor by maternal DNA. Okay, team C, you tap first on the bench, so I am repeating options once again. A, paternal DNA, B. Maternal DNA. C. Both maternal and paternal DNA. D. Neither by paternal nor by maternal DNA.
Option C, both maternal and paternal DNA.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option C. Both maternal and paternal DNA is the correct answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Actually, a trait in an organism is influenced by both maternal and paternal DNA. And the next question goes to all the participants. In peas, a pure tall plant is crossed with short plant. The ratio of pure tall plant to short plant in F2 is, and the options are A. 1:3, B. 3:1, C. 1:1, D. 2:1. Okay, team C, you tap first on the bench. So I'm repeating options once again. A. 1:3, B. 3:1, C. 1:1, D. 2:1.
Option C, 1:1.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Round 2 has been completed. Now we are looking towards the scores. Team A got 20 marks. Team B got 30 marks. Team C got 40 marks. So the winner of this quiz is Arpan and Pankaj. Give them a huge round of applause. So my off goes to Lucky sir and Kashish sir because they had given me chance to conduct a quiz in Ambala. They are running an academy, Smart Dream Coaching Institute in Ambala Sadar Bazaar. They are providing tuitions from class 6 to graduation. If you are interested, you can contact to Kashish sir and Lucky sir. Thank you very much. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel Student Kaksh. Thank you.